trick to find sigma and pi bonds. But because of limited time, we didn't discuss a lot of examples and different examples. That's the reason I'm going to discuss different examples. So listen very carefully. This is the continuous video. This is the second video on sigma and pi bonds. Okay, students, let's move on. What is the trick? This is the trick. Sigma equal to total number of atoms. What is the standard formula? Sigma equal to total number of atoms. If the compound is open chain, then you need to add -1. If the compound is monocyclic, you need to add -0. So no need to use 0. No need to add 0. So then you suppose if the compound is bicyclic, +1, tricyclic, +2, tetracyclic, +3. So once again, what is the logic, student? -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. -1 for open chain, 0 for monocyclic, +1 bicyclic, +2 tricyclic, +3 tetracyclic. Okay, students, now I am going to take example. The example is this one. Actually 2014 JEE एग्जामिनेशन में आपको एक MCQ आया, the MCQ A आया.
Loud.
The example is mesitylene. What is the structure of mesitylene? This is the structure of mesitylene. So what is the question, student? Mesitylene contain how many sigma and pi bonds? 2014 JEE एग्जामिनेशन में आया. So स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा कंफ्यूज होते हैं, सर ये स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, सर इसको कैसे फाइंड आउट करना. बट फार्मूला यूज करो, एकदम इजी होते हैं. ठीक है ना? या so first what to do, you need to find molecular formula. What is the molecular formula? Total how many carbons? 1 2 3. Outside 3 carbon, inside 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 plus 3 9. Total 9 carbons. Total how many hydrogens? 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. But there is no hydrogen. Why? Because already 1 2 3 4 bonds. So carbon basically sorry, basically carbon valency 4. So already 4 bonds are there. That's the reason there is no possibility, there is no hydrogen. So 1 2 3, here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, total 3, and outside 9, total 12 hydrogens. Here students, your answer completely depends on molecular formula only. If your molecular formula is wrong, then answer also wrong. That's the reason, be careful. Clear na? This is the deciding factor. While writing molecular formula, you need to use concentration. Clear? Yeah. So 9 plus 12, 21. So dear students, what is the value of monocyclic compound? Monocyclic compound का value 0 होते. So 21 minus 0 is nothing but 21 only. Then answer is 21 sigma bond. So mesitylene contain how many sigma bonds? 21 sigma bonds. Then what about pi bonds? Pi bonds, very simple. 1 2 3, 3 double bonds. 3 double bonds is nothing but 3 pi bonds. Okay, students, is it clear? I think clear. Okay, students, for better understanding purpose, I am going to give one more example. The example is different example. देखा? Very famous example. Anyone in the classroom? What is the name of this compound? Tell me. You tell me. You. Anyone? What? Naphthalene, correct answer. Naphthalene. What is the compound name, student? Naphthalene. So naphthalene contain how many carbons and how many hydrogens? That is called molecular formula. So there go, students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total 10 carbons. So total how many hydrogens? Here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. There is no hydrogen. There is no hydrogen. Meaning 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 hydrogens. Total 10 plus 8, 18. Yeah. Sigma equal to टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स 18. सो बाइसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड आया तो वैल्यू मालूम है ना +1. हाँ, वैल्यू वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर +1 पे इसमें तुम -1 लिखा तो पूरा कचरा होते. सो बी केयरफुल. सो 18 + 1 19. So naphthalene contain how many sigma bonds? 19 is the correct answer. If you get 19, that is correct answer. Clear na? Okay, students. But what about pi bonds? Very simple, student. 1 2 3 4 5 total कितना double bonds? 5 double bonds. 5 double bonds का मतलब है 5 pi bonds. Students, आपको बकरा करने के लिए कभी कभी क्वेश्चन ऐसा आता है. naphthalene contain total how many pi electrons? आपको डाउट आते हैं सर pi bonds पूछो तो आंसर बोल सकते, सिग्मा बॉन्ड पूछो तो आंसर बोल सकते, ये क्या है सर pi electrons पूछ रहे, मैं क्या करना है, ऐसा डाउट आते हैं. कुछ भी करने का जरूरत नहीं. हमारा केमिस्ट्री में कौन सा भी बॉन्ड, 1 बॉन्ड इक्वल टू 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो सपोज एग्जामिनेशन में आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसा आया, naphthalene contain total how many pi electrons? You need to do pi into 2. बोले तो टोटल कितना आया? 5 pi bonds आया. So 5 pi into 2 electrons, total 10 pi electrons. Then answer is 10 pi electrons. So naphthalene contain how many pi electrons? 10 pi electrons. बोले तो pi bonds आते हैं ना, कितना तो भी कुछ तो भी pi bond आते हैं, कौन सा भी कंपाउंड. अगर डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बीच में आया तो, अंदर आया तो, क्लियर ना, into 2 करो. Simple logic, as simple as that. So tell me student, what about benzene? Benzene contain how many double bonds? 3 double bonds, meaning 3 pi bonds. So benzene contain how many pi electrons, student? 3 pi into 2 electrons, then it becomes 6 pi electrons. This is the logic. Clear na? For any type of compound, you need to apply same logic. Clear na? Pi electrons पूछा तो into 2 करो. That's it. That's enough. Clear na students? Same procedure apply करो. One more example. Do you want? Yes. Okay, I will give. This is the last example, student. Listen very carefully. This is called phenol. This is called phenol. So phenol contain how many sigma and how many pi bonds? Same procedure you need to apply. What is the molecular formula? Total carbons 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 carbons. Total how many hydrogens? 1 2 3. Sorry, there is no hydrogen. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many oxygens? One. You need to consider oxygen also. अगर नाइट्रोजन दिया तो नाइट्रोजन भी लेना पड़ेगा. देखो स्टूडेंट, 6 + 6 12, 12 + 1 13. So how many sigma bonds here, students? 13 sigma bonds. How many pi bonds? 1 2 3. 3 is nothing but 3 pi bonds. So how many pi electrons? Same logic, 6 pi electrons. Cumulative into 2 करना. Okay students, ऐसा कौन सा भी कंपाउंड दिया तो सेम प्रोसीजर अप्लाई करो. वन सेकेंड स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द ट्रिक? -1 0 +1 +2 +3. ओके ना? -1 ओपन चेन कंपाउंड, 0 मोनोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड, +1 बाइसाइक्लिक, +2 ट्राइसाइक्लिक, +3 टेट्रासाइक्लिक. क्लियर ना? सो व्हाट इज द बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला? sigma equal to total number of atoms. Sigma equal to total number of atoms. If the compound is monocyclic, sigma equal to total number of atoms -1. If the compound is if the compound is open chain, the formula becomes like this: sigma equal to total number of atoms -1. If the compound is monocyclic, the formula becomes like this: sigma equal to total number of atoms -0. If the compound is bicyclic, the formula becomes like this: sigma equal to total number of atoms +1. Clear na students? Seconds. Okay na students? Clear? Okay students, bye for now. See you again.